See, this is the problem. Like, you have some ideas for videos, so you pull out the stuff that you need, and then you're like, I don't really want to make that video right now, but you leave it there because you're like, I'll get to it. And then you start another video that you kind of start to do. That video will involve a number of smaller videos. So you do like one or two, and then you're like, ooh, that was a big challenge. Well, not a challenge, but a task. So now, where are we? It's a very messy room. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Here's some of my books. In case you're wondering, there's a stethoscope. Oh my God. Bunch of IDs. All right. I need a better system. I also need a better table because this table is gonna move. I'm gonna move this table into the living room, into the dining room. So it's gonna be my dining table because I'll have a dining table. And then I guess I'll start doing my makeup there. But I need a table that's in here, but I can't even see what I'm talking about. So you can kind of see. I want like a smaller table in here, just so I can put it closer to the window, and that way I can film with natural light, because I have that, but natural light is better. I just prefer natural light. And then I could organize this place a little better. Right now I'm using like an old TV stand as storage for the bulk of my makeup. And then I also have this bookcase that I just showed you. I guess let me just show you. So there's this like, it's a really big glass dining table and it's just too big for this room. Like, I like all the space that I have on it, but as you can see, more space means I put more things on it with no real, I mean, there's organization. Like, that's a future video. Those are used brushes. This was from, I should put that back here. That was from when I was doing like my full face of Danessa Myricks. These were the Danessa Myricks products. These are blushes that I need to finish trying and put in a video. Yeah, like there's rhyme and reason kind of to this table, but the table needs to go to another room. But over here is it's my repurposed, not repurposed, it is just a TV stand that I've just put makeup on. This, I cover my clean brushes with like a cloth or something. And then I finally got this because I was tired of doing this. Like, I think I'm gonna get another one so that I could fit all of my brushes. I was really hoping all my brushes would fit in there, but unfortunately, can you focus? Thank you. Unfortunately, no. I have a large collection. But yeah, so those are kind of like my face products, lip, sprays, face products spillovers, face products spillover, eye primers. What is in here? What is in here? Oh, it's the lipstick that's throwing me off, but these are like single eyeshadows. These like single eyeshadows. Charlotte Tilbury. When was the last time I used anything from in here? I know I recently separated them out, but when was the last time I used them? Because I use more of these. These are like my single cream shadows. It's Sydney Gray. Just a lot of Sydney Grace, but there's also Danessa Myricks. Try to do this with one hand. I see an Ilia. I see an Ilia peeking through. Ugh. I have face products. There's concealer, foundation, primers, some primers. I don't even think these are all my primers. Clean makeup, makeup erasers. Put that in there. Some empty makeup bags, a planner that I have not used in a long time. So that's from this. This is where my Natasha Denona MIDI products were, but I took them out. They're currently over there. But this has the rest of some of my palettes, because that's not even where all of my palettes, that's just where like my MIDI Natasha Denona palettes go, along with some of my other palettes. Like I'm looking at Huda, I think I see some ABH, pretty sure this is Haus Labs, Lisa Eldridge, Issa Maya, and then that whole basket is Pat McGrath. Love Pat McGrath. Up here are single shadows and palettes. That box has duplicate cream shadows from Sydney Grace. I was gonna see if my sister wanted those. Some bigger palettes, so I believe Be Perfect, Beauty Bay, and then yeah, getting my Sydney Grace. So my Sydney Grace, I see some Danessa Myricks, and then Glam Shop. Excuse you, can you focus? I'm looking at a tanned in Tulum, so that's BH Cosmetics. Here are my, so these palettes, like these Byredo ones, go in this one. And oh, I have some Blend Bunny. I have like 3 of them, and this one I haven't tried, so I need to try it. There's one Unearthly Cosmetics palette, my Natasha Denona minis. These are all like the Natasha Denona minis. And then in here, move this back. In here we have some more palettes. I don't like that they're in drawers because it means out of sight, out of mind. So I need to find better storage for them. But those are all like my Odin's Eye, some What's Up Beauty cosmic brushes or Cosmic Beauty, Lethal Cosmetics, Artitude. I can't see what, oh dear. And then in this drawer, yeah, Melt. I have quite a few Melt. That's gonna be my next video to like kind of rank my Melt ones. And then BH Cosmetics. What is this? Beauty Bakery. I know they closed down this year. Some more BH. This one also closed down this year. These two, well, it's the same brand, right? What's it called? Sweet September. No, what's it called? September Rose. So this one also closed down this year or late last year. So Beauty Bay, Danessa Myricks. This was not supposed to be like a showing anything. That was supposed to be a shop my stash, but I guess this is more of a, what do I do with all this stuff? Oh my God. But yeah, so I need to figure out what I'm going to do. And then just a random bottle of Advil, I guess, because I don't know. Not sure everything that was in there. I think I did. I did find this box with some of my stored containers. So I need to kind of empty that out, see what I can use. Okay, so this has become a let's clean up this table video. put the mirror back. You see it? It's going back. Excuse me. And my used brushes. That's it. That's all that gets to go back. And then I should only be putting on here my stand, which my phone is currently sitting on, and the makeup that I'm going to use for that day or film with for that day. And that's it. So this is very anticlimactic because I didn't get to move rooms, but whatever, that's fine. I will show you what the rest of the room looks like because that is a disaster. Nope. All right, bye.